Welcome to the Dr. Beasley's Clean Room, everybody. I am the Director of Success, Chris Ricana, and today we are here to talk about ceramic body wash. And the first thing I want to talk about is the fact that there is no ceramic technology in ceramic body wash. The whole purpose is this body wash is specifically formulated to work with vehicles that have been protected by a ceramic coating. Ceramic body wash is available in multiple sizes. Of course, you have your 12-ounce wash, and then perhaps this is, you're a little bit more of an enthusiast. You like to wash your car in the regular. Well, for you guys, we got our 1-gallon size, and of course, for the detailing professional, we have our 5-gallon size of ceramic body wash. The active surfactants in ceramic body wash are going to break down contaminants, freeing us of the need to excessively agitate that foam on the surface. This is going to benefit you because it's going to extend the durability and the performance of your coating on your car. Also, it is highly concentrated. So you have a 12-ounce bottle. This is 12 washes in a 12-ounce bottle. Lastly, it smells phenomenal, so your garage is going to smell great. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at myteam@drbeasleys.com. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.